we have a kind of like non-garage version of Right Turn Garage TV. Is that a thing? I think well, it's going to be today. So this is just a real quick, short and sweet. How do you replace the batteries on one of these Volkswagen remotes? Because I don't really see, you know, there's not a, you know, well, I'm going to show you. So, first things first, let's separate these. What do you say? Hopefully I can get this thing to sit up there if I can. Now, I'm just going to push that open, and the reason why is because this separates if you pull hard enough. If you can't pull hard enough, you can take a little screwdriver or something and just kind of pry in between there. Not real hard, you don't need to. And then this is the part that you need to pry apart with your fingers and or screwdriver. But you see that lip right there where the key slides in? Use that to your advantage. And boom. Right there's your battery. On this particular model, it is a CR2032. And this is the part. See that? You just gotta, since you're in the kitchen, don't tell the missus, but grab one of her knives. Like I say, don't tell the missus, but just grab one of her knives. Then you just go up underneath there, and you just real easily, yep, there we go. And it'll tell you, it'll tell you what number it is on there, right? I actually Googled it to see which one it was. Then apparently you go to Kroger, because that's where I got that one. These take the same, I think most of these car remotes about that era take the same battery, so. If you don't remember if it was face up or face down, it has a plus on the outside and a plus right here on these. Just do that. Then easily, you just line her back up, hopefully, up. Like I said, easily. Just line it back up, pinch it together. This slides together, and the good thing is, you don't have to program anything. You now, happy wife, happy life, have a working key fob. So, this was just a real quick, short, sweet, to the point video. Because I'm actually prepping stuff in the garage for other stuff to be prepped. And, you know, this is kind of a filler video. Nothing too hard, but something informational, hopefully. If you have a Volkswagen, Beetle, Jetta, that type remote, which a lot of them do, the old switchblade style they call it. But if you don't know the battery, you know, it'll tell you right on the battery. And if you forget which way it goes in, just watch this video. But anyway, that's the real shit, simple way to do that, and she works perfect. I guarantee it. I'd show you, but Mama actually took it to the gym this morning, so yeah, go figure. But I promise you, it'll work. No need to reprogram anything, just use it. I mean, good to go. Hopefully this helps some of you. I know it's a short and sweet, to the point video. I've said that like 4 times. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you don't mind, just a real quick, somewhere down there, there's a subscribe button, like button. If you got any questions, just hit me up on there. And we'll see you guys next time here on Right Turn Garage TV.